Joten migepe mano mapacho kai Musalia Mudavadi nyadi Chal kendo ne ochopo nyim kamati mano mar od buch senate kama bende ne odhi duoko penjo ewi chal mano mar ngima oganda Jokenya mago mabende nitiere piny Russia kocha kendo nyaka sani duogo pacho kae sani to koro osebedo negi matek. Musalia Mudavadi ne otiyo kod thuolo maket koda mano mar lero ni oganda mago mabende ne ochopo e piny Russia kono ne ochopo gi dwachgi giwegi kama bende nitiere chenro mopogore opogore ma oseketo kaka jatend migao mano mar neno ni weche duto te odhi kare. Ne oloso kama
Africa and we are going the next stage. We have sought cabinet approval for us to accede to this and then forward the documentation to Parliament for formal ratification pursuant to Article 26 of the Constitution of Kenya, so that we can completely consolidate this position and have this as treaties so that they are firmly embedded as laws of Kenya. Both these conventions categorize mercenary activity as a serious crime of grave concern to all states, thereby obligating state parties to prohibit and prevent the recruitment, use, financing, and training of mercenaries within their territory. I think this is very important even for the media to understand that there are international conventions. We are signatories to them. We want to have them processed and ratified through Parliament so that it becomes very clear that we want to be responsible members of the international community as the Republic of Kenya. Furthermore, Madam Chair, Section 68 of the Penal Code, Cap 63, criminalizes the enlistment service or training of Kenyan citizens in foreign military or armed forces without the written authority of the President. Madam Chair, what these Kenyans have been doing has been in breach of the law. They have broken the law. They are engaged in an illegal activity.